Pork side, pork side, pork side. Grilled pork side is a favorite at barbecues. Turkey, turkey, turkey. Roast turkey is a traditional dish for Thanksgiving dinner. Wild boar, wild boar, wild boar. The hunter brought back wild boar for the feast. Barbecue pork, barbecue pork, barbecue pork. Barbecue pork with honey glaze is delicious. Beef ball, beef ball, beef ball. Beef balls are often used in noodle soups. Duck, duck, duck. Crispy roasted duck is a popular Chinese dish. Beef fillet, beef fillet, beef fillet. The beef fillet was tender and cooked to perfection. Beef ribs, beef ribs, beef ribs. The barbecue beef ribs were coated in a rich sauce. Boiled meat, boiled meat, boiled meat. Boiled meat is often served with dipping sauces in Vietnam. Canned meat, canned meat, canned meat. Canned meat is convenient for camping trips. Pastrami, pastrami, pastrami. He had a pastrami sandwich for lunch. Goose, goose, goose. Roast goose is a traditional dish during Christmas in some countries. Meatballs, meatballs, meatballs. Spaghetti with meatballs is a family favorite. Meat spread, meat spread, meat spread. They enjoyed bread with meat spread for breakfast. Corned beef, corned beef, corned beef. Corned beef and cabbage is a classic Irish dish. Lamb ribs, lamb ribs, lamb ribs. The grilled lamb ribs were seasoned with rosemary and garlic. Meat stew, meat stew, meat stew. The meat stew was hearty and full of flavor. Pepperoni, pepperoni, pepperoni. She ordered a pepperoni pizza for dinner. Pork chop, pork chop, pork chop. Grilled pork chops are perfect for a summer barbecue. Roast beef, roast beef, roast beef. They served roast beef with mashed potatoes for dinner. Salami, salami, salami. Salami is often added to sandwiches or charcuterie boards. Ham, ham, ham. She packed a ham sandwich for lunch. Liver, liver, liver. Fried liver with onions is a traditional dish in many cultures. Pork, pork, pork. Pork is a common ingredient in many Asian dishes. Mixed grill, mixed grill, mixed grill. The restaurant offers a mixed grill platter with lamb, chicken, and beef. Rice gruel, rice gruel, rice gruel. Rice gruel is a comforting dish for when you're feeling unwell. Soufflé, soufflé, soufflé. She made a chocolate soufflé for dessert. Baked potato, baked potato, baked potato. He topped the baked potato with sour cream and chives. Roasted crab with salt. Roasted crab with salt. Roasted crab with salt. Roasted crab with salt is a flavorful seafood dish. Steamed crab, steamed crab, steamed crab. Steamed crab is served with a tangy dipping sauce. Crab with tamarind. Crab with tamarind. Crab with tamarind. Crab with tamarind is a perfect balance of sweet and sour flavors. Waffle, waffle, waffle. We enjoyed warm waffles with honey for breakfast. Biscuits, biscuits, biscuits. The biscuits were crunchy and went perfectly with tea. Croissant, croissant, croissant. He bought a freshly baked croissant from the bakery. Pancake, pancake, pancake. Pancakes with maple syrup are my favorite breakfast treat. Yogurt, yogurt, yogurt. Eating yogurt regularly is good for your health.